stop for a moment and talk about how Kansas works as a state. They are officially classified as a tax deed state, which really what that means is that the county will wait out a redemption period, wait for a redemption period to expire, one that issued by the state, and then they'll just simply foreclose on the property so that they can, sell the properties to recover the delinquent funds. And so it's generally just a straight property sale that you're dealing with whenever you attend a tax deed auction.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Now, they're going to use a premium bid system, which is like many other tax deed states. They're going to start at the back taxes, and whoever bids up to the highest price wins the property. Now, many of the counties will go ahead and conduct the auction on the first Tuesday of September or the fourth Monday in October, but we have seen different dates other than that. That's just generally when they'll go ahead and do it. Now, what they do is they issue what's called a sheriff's deed to the winning bidder, and that's really kind of the same thing as a tax deed. They're going to go ahead and issue those in the name of whoever registered for the auction.
Yeah, I mean, a sheriff's deed is basically a non-warranty deed, kind of like a quitclaim deed. It's right along those same lines. The county isn't guaranteeing anything when they issue it. And again, you can also turn the sheriff's deed, into a warranty deed again, or into an insurable deed for title insurance if you want to go through a quiet title action to get the title cleared up. But yeah, they also do have some over-the-counter opportunities that that are there because of the way that Kansas is spread out. The opportunities kind of vary. In some of the bigger city areas, like for instance, in the Kansas City area, they have a lot of over-the-counter properties and over-the-counter inventory that you can look through. In other parts of Kansas, though, as you move further west, you tend to have smaller areas and less of that. Although some of those areas also have some over-the-counter stuff that can be that can be available, but tends to be smaller.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. Well, and like Shade said, Kansas City, Kansas actually has a big land bank with a lot of good opportunities available.
Stop.